Day 2 of the 2026 World Cup is done. 2 matches, 2 host nations, 2 completely different stories. One was a party, one was history. Here is everything. America opened their World Cup with Katy Perry performing at the opening ceremony. Then they scored 4 goals. The two things may be related. Christian Pulisic was unplayable, completely unplayable. The first goal was an own goal. Paraguay's Bobadilla put it in his own net. 7th minute. That is one way to start a World Cup. Balogun scored twice before halftime. USA 3-0 at the break. 4th player in as many World Cups to score a brace in a host nation's opening match. Paraguay pulled 1 back. USA responded. Giovanni Reina, 90th minute +8, because 3 goals was not enough. 4-1. Final score, maybe the greatest USA performance in World Cup history. Before Canada, a quick word on day 1. Mexico opened the entire tournament in the Estadio Azteca. 80,000 fans. Quinones, 9th minute, the first goal of the entire 2026 World Cup. 3 red cards in the opening match. The only opening game in World Cup history with 3 red cards. Ever. And Korea came from behind to beat Czechia 2-1. Someone should probably tell Europe. Canada opened with Michael Bublé performing in Toronto. Then drew 1-1. The two things are probably not related. Bosnia scored first. 21st minute. Header from a corner. Toronto went quiet. Canada hit the crossbar. 2 goal line clearances. Everything except the goal. Cyle Larin, off the bench, 78th minute. The man born 45 kilometers from that stadium. 1-1, Ontario erupted. Canada's first ever World Cup point, 2 tournaments, 6 matches, 0 points before tonight. Their player of the match, everything. Everything. It was a magical afternoon. Bosnia showed they belong here too. That is football. Katy Perry in Los Angeles, Michael Bublé in Toronto, 80,000 Mexicans in the Azteca, 4 goals from America. History in Toronto, 3 red cards in Mexico City. And we are 2 days in. Subscribe so you do not miss anything. The game has not changed. You have. You're welcome.